The hard lesson of responsibility. Every morning, 12-year-old Brian sprinted through the school gate just as the bell rang. His shirt was half-tucked, his shoelaces loose, and his mind already tired from running. In his bag were books, pens, and sometimes even snacks, but never his homework. Again? His teacher, Mrs. Njeri, would sigh gently as Brian stared at his desk. "I forgot," he would mumble. It became his daily answer, as familiar as his name on the class register. At first Mrs. Njeri gave warnings. Then she gave reminders written in red ink. Brian nodded each time, promising himself he would remember tomorrow. But at home, football matches stretched into evening, cartoons swallowed time, and homework quietly disappeared from his thoughts. One Monday morning, Mrs. Njeri made an announcement. "On Friday, we will have a project presentation. Your homework this week will count toward your final score." Brian barely listened. Friday felt far away. But Friday came quickly. One by one, pupils stood up, proudly presenting neat books and colorful charts. When Brian's name was called, his heart dropped. His desk was empty. His bag held nothing but silence. "I don't have it," he whispered. Mrs. Njeri nodded, not angry, just firm. "Then you will receive a 0 for this project." The class fell quiet. A 0 wasn't just a mark, it meant Brian would miss the school trip he had been excited about all term. That afternoon, Brian walked home slowly. No running. No games. Just the heavy feeling of knowing no one else was to blame. That evening he opened his books without being told. He planned his time, set reminders, and finished his work before sleep. It wasn't fun, but it felt good. From that day on, Brian still ran to school sometimes, and his shoelaces still came loose, but his homework never stayed behind. Because responsibility, he learned, isn't taught by words alone. Sometimes it's learned the hard way and remembered forever.